Hi students, today we are discussing the example problem of optimal binary search tree by using dynamic programming. This is the example problem of OBSTM. Listen carefully. Okay, I take one example here. Node numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and coming to the nodes 10, 12, 16, 21 and coming to the node frequencies 4, 2, 6, 3. Okay, coming to the solution, what if we have to be calculated there? First of all, if we have to be written 0, 1, 2, 3 and above side 0, 1, 2, 3. First startingly, if we have to be writing this, and the first thing is the node 10 the frequency is 4, in the sense the node 0, 10, 0 comma 0, we have to be given the frequency 4. 0 to 0 we need to write 4 and coming to the node 1, 1 comma 1, the frequency is 2, if you have to be written 2 and coming to the node 2, 2 comma 2, the frequency is 6. Look at this diagram. And coming to the node 3, 3 comma 3, the frequency is 3. First of all, if you need to initialize it like this manner, 4, 2, 6, 3 in a crossway, 0 to 0, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. Okay, now let us start the cases here. Case 1. Listen carefully. L is equal to 1 means one node is taking at a time. L is equal to 1 in the sense if we have to be taken, one node is taking at a time. Suppose let us assume that node 0 in the sense, node 0, how much the node number 10? In the sense 0 comma 0. And coming to the node 1, we have to be taken 1 comma 1. Node 2, 2 comma 2. Node 3, 3 comma 3. At a time only one node is taking at a time. Coming to the case 1 exactly, if we have to be taken L is equal to 2 in the sense, it means two nodes are taking at a time. What ma? Two nodes we are taking at a time. Single node, L is equal to 1 in the sense only 0th node if we have to be taken. L is equal to 2 nodes in the sense 0 node and 1 node. Just if we have to taking 2 nodes or taking at a time. Let us take 0, 1. The nodes will be 10, 12. Okay, two binary search trees are possible for this case. Okay, look at this. If we have to be written 10, 12 is the node numbers ma. First of all, coming to the binary search tree. What is a binary search tree? Binary search tree, if we have to take some node number, the node is greater than if we have to place at right subtree. The node is less than if we have to place at the left subtree. Okay, here if the possible two binary search trees here, 10, 12. First of all, if you take as a 10, 0, 0th node, 10 node and coming to the right side, 10 is greater than 12 is greater than 10. That's why we can place it as right side. 10 to 12 is the right side. Why? Because of 12 is greater than 10. That's why we can place it as right subtree. And coming to this, if you have to take at root node 12 and place at 10 at left subtree. Why? Because of 12 is less than 10 is exactly. That's why we can place it as left subtree. If you add here, if you have to take the node frequencies also here, listen carefully. Then 10 node, the frequency is how much ma? 4. Now if we have to 12 taken 12 frequency how much? 2. Look at the question here. 10 frequency is 4, 12 frequency is 2. Now how can you calculate this binary search tree? If we have to add with the node frequency 4 into level of that node, first level, in the sense 10 is the first level, 12 is the second level. Listen carefully. If you can add this binary search tree, how? In the sense taking node frequency 4 into level if we have to be multiplied with the level 1 plus and second 12th node frequency is 2. 2 into is multiplied with level number 2. 2 into 2. 4 plus 4 how much? 8. And coming to this side, 12 is the root node. How much the frequency? 2. 2 into multiplied with level 1 plus coming the 10th node frequency is 4 plus 4 into the level multiplied with the level. Okay, 4 into 2, 2 plus 8, how much? 10. So let us calculate their optimal weights. We have to be calculate to solve this problem by using these optimal weights. Frequency of node into multiplied by the level number. So naturally we are taking the optimal tree as like this. Optimal in the sense best. Optimal at optimal weight we have to be choose in the sense optimal in the sense best. Okay, frequency of node is into multiplied by the level number. Naturally we are taking the optimal tree as 10. The node frequency 10 node frequency is 4, and coming to the 12th node frequency is 2. If we have to be multiplied the node frequency of node 4 into multiplied by the level number 1 plus frequency of node 12 2 into multiplied with the level number 2, that will be assigned for 4 plus 4, how much? 8. Now coming to the case 2, the method, how the method will be follow here. If we have to taking L is equal to 2, in the sense 2 nodes are taking at a time. Let us see this is the question. Okay, carefully all of you write down the notes first and then watch the video if you have to be understood it in a clear cut way. Okay, listen carefully, otherwise you can't able to understand this. Okay, case 2 method. If we have to do L is equal to 2, in the sense taking 2 nodes at a time, 0 1, the node numbers 10 12 and the frequency is 4 2. Now if we have to add with the frequency and number of nodes 10 plus 12, in the sense the frequency of 10th node is 4 plus the frequency of 12th node is 2 plus minimum, if we have to taking some add their frequency 4 plus 2 plus minimum, if you have to take the minimum cross multiplication symbol, I have to mention that 0, how much you get the value 2. In place of 0, it will be assigned to 2, and coming to the 1 will be assigned to 4. Now if we have to be added 4 plus 2, how much? 6 plus a minimum of m of 2 to 4, which value is minimum? 2 or 4, 2 is the minimum value, that's why we will add it as 6 plus 2 8. Okay, and which position if we have to be added? At 0th position. At 0th position from root node 2, we will take it as 0th position, that's why 6 plus 2 8. Wait, at 0th position we will take 8, that's why coming the 0 comma 1, how much if we have to write? 8 power of 0. Okay, 8 subscript of 0, 8 with subscript of 0 ma. Look at this, which position if you have to write? 0 to 1 position. Look at the diagram here, the first diagram I have to, in 0 to 1, how much I wrote there? 8 subscript with 0. Okay, likewise if we have to be calculated 0 1, if we have to be calculated, now place 0 comma 1 10. Now we can place 0 comma 1 is equal to 8 subscript with 0. Now we have to again, if we have to take two nodes are taking at a time. 0 1 is will be completed, and now going to the 1 comma 2, how the 1 the node will be 12, 2 the node will be 16, how much the frequency? 2 6. Okay, now first of all if we have to be add their frequency, 2 plus 6 plus a minimum of formula, this is a minimum of m of, now we have to write 1 will be assigned to 6, I will give some dotted arrows there. 1 will be assigned to 6, 2 will be assigned to 2. Now if we have to be added 2 plus 6, how much? 8. And coming to the minimum value, 6 2 is the minimum value, 2 is the minimum value, 8 plus 2, how much? 10. And which position we had from root node? 2, that's why 10 with the subscript of 2, that's why we can place 10 subscript of 2, yet in which position? 1 comma 2 position. If you have to look at the first rows and columns ma. Now if we have to write down 1 comma 2, how much? 10 subscript of 2. Okay, 10 subscript of from root node 2, we can get the value 10 from 1 to 2. Okay, 1 comma 2 we can place, listen carefully ma, we place yet 1 comma 2 position 10 with subscript of 2. Okay, now we have to be taken 2 comma 3 nodes. The question, how many is there? How many nodes? 0 1 1 2. Now we have to be calculated 2 3. Okay, 2 3. if we have to be taken 2, we place, if we have to take it 2 3, the node of 2 is 16, 3 node, the node is 21, 16th the node frequency is 6, 21 the node frequency is 3. They given in the question amma itself. First of all, we need to add their frequency. 6 plus 3 plus minimum of m of, we have to take in some 3 here. Look at this, 2 3 is there ma, 2, that the dotted arrow marks where it will go, 3. 2 I will be assigned to 3, 3 I will be assigned to 6. 3 is minimum, 6 is minimum, 3 is minimum value. Here you have to be added 6 plus 3 how much, 9 plus minimum of m 3. 3 is the minimum value, yet from root node 2, 3 is the minimum value. 9 plus 3 how much, 12 with subscript of 2. We place, listen carefully, where we can place 2 at nodes 2 3, listen carefully, at node numbers 2 3 we place 2 comma 3 at 12. Okay, from root node 2, from root node 2, okay, 12 subscript of 2. Okay, where it have to be placed 2 comma 3. Look at this diagram, 2 comma 3 we have to be placed at yeah, from root node 2 the value is to be 12. Okay, likewise if we have to be calculated in case number 3, let us take in case number 3 we have to be taking L is equal to 3, in the sense taking 3 nodes at a time, taking 3 nodes together, in the sense 0 1 2. Okay, now if we have to be taken the node numbers 10 12 16, what now we have to be taken the frequencies of 4 2 6. First of all, we need to add the frequencies, 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus minimum of m. Okay, first of all, if we have to take from root node 0, 0 root node is at 10. Okay, from 0 root node is at 10. Okay, and coming to the 1, first of all 0th root node is 10, and coming to the first node, first of all, first node 4 plus 6, how much, how can you get this? First of all, if you have to be exclude when 0 is root node, exclude 0. Okay, listen carefully, exclude in the sense if we have to play, if we have to remove that, if we have to remove that, listen carefully how we can place 0th value 10, from root node 0 how we can place 10, from root node 1 how we can place 4 plus 6, from root node 2 8 how we can place 8. Okay, let us, I consider this, let us give, I give some whatever the explanation here, listen carefully. I have to written my here, look at this, when 0 is the root node we need to exclude 0. Okay, exclude 0. Now we have to be look at value at 1 comma 2. Value at 1 comma 2 how much we can get? We have to be go to the question of value at 1 comma 2 how much? 1 comma 2 how much? 10 with subscript of 2. That's why we will take it as 10. 1 comma 2 value will be 10. Look at carefully ma, when 0 is the root node we need to exclude 0, in the sense we will remove 0. Now we have to be observe 1 comma 2 position, value at 1 comma 2 how much we can get? 10. Okay, now coming to the 1 section, when 1 is the root node, when 1 is the root node, yet 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 2. Look at carefully, we need to calculate. Now 1 is the root node, 1 is the root node, in the sense if we have to be calculated 0 comma 0, first of all if we have to be excluded 1, and then if we have to left side, if we have to be look at 0 comma 0, and right side if we have to be look at 2 comma 2, in the sense 0 in the sense 0 comma 0, and right side 2 in the sense 2 comma 2, in the sense first of all if we have to be excluded the 1 value, now we have, when 1 is the root node, if we have to be taken the value at 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 2. What is the value of 0 comma 0? Look at 0 comma 0 how much the value? 0 comma 0 is 4 and 2 comma 2 is the value is 6. 4 plus 6 how much? 10. Look at this diagram, 4 plus 6 is 10. And coming to the root node 2, when 2 is the root node value, listen carefully, when 2 is the root node value, we can exclude 2 value and we look at only at 0 comma 1 position. 0 comma 1 position we have to be look at. When 2 is the root node, value at 0 comma 1 position is 8. Look at this 0 comma 1 position, how much? 0 comma 1 is 8 with subscript 0. Okay, 8 if we have to be write down 8 there. Okay, 8. Okay, now we have to be calculated. 4 plus 2, how much? 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus, here the minimum value 10, 10, 8. Which one is minimum? 8 is the minimum. 12 plus 8, how much? 20. From which node we can get it? From root node 2, we get the value here 20. 20 with subscript of 2. Okay, this is the taking 3 nodes together, in the sense L is equal to 3, in the sense, first of all, if we have to be calculated 0, we need to exclude 0. Look at the position 1 comma 2, and coming to the from root node 1, we have to be looked at 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 2, and coming to the root node is 2, we have to be look at the value of 0 comma 1. We need to exclude the value of 2. We have to look at the position of 0 comma 1 value. Okay, if we have to be placed 20 with the subscript of 2, where we can place? We can place it initial and final value. Initial in the sense where the initial value is 0 and final value is 2. 0 comma 2 is the, we place it initial and final value. 0 comma 2 is 20 with the subscript of 2. Okay, from root node 2, we can place it as 20 at 0 comma 2. Look at this diagram. 0 comma 2, how much we can place? 20 value with the subscript of 2. Okay, likewise we can calculate it. Now again we have to take 0, 1, 2 we have to take. Now what we have to be taken? 1, 2, 3 nodes. L is equal to 3, taking 3 nodes together here, 1, 2, 3, the node numbers 1, 2, 3, here nodes 12, 16, 21, whatever the node frequency 2, 6, 3. Now we have to be add the frequency. 2 plus 6, how much? 8, 8 plus 3, how much? 11 plus a minimum of m of 1 from root node 1. Listen carefully, listen carefully. From root node 1, we need to exclude 1 value at 2 comma 3. అమ్మా 1 పొజిషన్ని మీరు క్లోజ్ చేస్తే మీకు పక్కన ఏం కనపడుతుంది? 2, 3 కనపడుతుంది. అందుకని ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ 1 వాల్యూ ఎట్ 2 comma 3 పొజిషన్ మీరు చూసుకోవాలి. 2 comma 3 పొజిషన్ హౌ మచ్ వాల్యూ యూ కెన్ గెట్? 2 comma 3 in the sense how much value you can get? 12 with subscript of 2. Okay, na 12 amma. The value is 12. Now we can place here 2 comma 3 position. If we have exclude 1 value yet 2 comma 3. Okay, 2 comma 3. If you have 2 comma 3 value, how much we can get? 12. Okay. Now coming to the exclude 2 value, if we have to be placed 1 comma 1, and I did mistake here. I will write 6 here, not 6. 6 is not the correct. 12 is the correct value. From root node 1, we have to be written at 12 there. Why? Because of at 2 comma 3 position, how much value you get? 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 you can get the value is 12 amma. Look at this. 12 if you have to be look at 12 amma. Listen carefully. 12. I did mistake here. 6 is not in place of 6 you written 12 amma. Okay na. Coming to the from root node 2 amma. Exclude 2 in the sense 2 ని క్లోజ్ చేయండి. 2 పార్ట్ని క్లోజ్ చేస్తే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 1 comma 1 ఉంటుంది, రైట్ సైడ్ 3 comma 3 ఉంటుంది. ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ 2 వాల్యూ అండ్ ప్లేస్ 1 comma 1 వాల్యూ అండ్ 3 comma 3 వాల్యూ. 1 comma 1 3 comma 3 వాల్యూ ఎంతో ఇక్కడ చూద్దామమ్మా. ఓకే, లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. 1 comma 1 వాట్ ద వాల్యూ? 2. 3 comma 3 3. ఓకేనా? 1 comma 1 వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 2. 3 comma 3 ద వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 3. ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ 2 plus 3 అనేది రావాలమ్మా. ఓకే, లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ అమ్మా. 2 plus 3, ఎస్ కరెక్ట్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. Okay, and coming to the from root node 3, exclude root node 3 amma. Exclude 3 value. 3 value exclude అంటే దాని వరకు క్లోజ్ చేయాలి. 3 value క్లోజ్ చేస్తే మనకు ఎట్ 1 comma 2 పొజిషన్ చూసుకోవాలి. Exclude 3 value and place 1 comma 2 value. Look at the 1 comma 2 value, how much? Look at the 1 comma 2 value. 1 comma 2 value, how much? 10 amma. Listen carefully. 10 amma. Yes, I can place from root node 3, I can place 10. Which one is the minimum? 12 is the, I did mistake ma, not 6 here. 12 amma. All of you write down 12 amma. 12 and 2 plus 3 how much? 5 and remaining 10. 12 5 10. Which one is minimum, amma? 5 is the minimum. Now I have to be added. 11 plus 5, how much? 16. Yet from which node, amma? From which node? From which root node? From second root node. That's why finally we place it initial and final value. Look at the nodes, amma. 1, 2, 3. Na? We place it initial and final value. Initial value is 1. Final value is 3. At 1, 3 position, we can place it 16 subscript of 2. Okay, at 1, 3 position. At 1, 3 position 16 subscript of 2. Okay, yeah, from root node 2 we can place the value 16. Okay, now we have to be taken L is equal to 4. The case 4, L is equal to 4 in the sense 4 nodes are taking at a time. 0, 1, 2, 3. The node numbers is 10, 12, 16, 21. Whatever the node frequencies now, node frequencies is 4, 2, 6, 3. Now we have to be added, add their frequencies. What you have to be added, there? Add their frequencies. 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, how much? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 3, how much? 15 plus minimum of M. Now coming to the 0. Now from root node 0 we have to be calculated. From root node 1 we have to be calculated. From root node 2 we have to be calculated. From root node 3 we have to be calculated. I write these points. Listen carefully, all of you. First of all, we need to exclude 0 value. Listen carefully. Exclude 0 value in the sense 0 value అనేది మీరు క్లోజ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. క్లోజ్ చేస్తే ఎట్ 1, 3 వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ప్లేస్డ్. 0 వాల్యూ అనేది మీరు క్లోజ్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ 1, 3 వాల్యూ అనేది మనం ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ 0 వాల్యూ అండ్ we have to be placed yet 1, 3 value is placed. 1, 3 value, how much? We have to be look at 1, 3 position. 1, 3 position, we have to be 1, 3 position 16 ma. Here look at 1, 3 position, how much we can get? 16. And now we have to be placed from root node 0 we have to be placed 16. Listen carefully. 16. Now we have to be look at exclude 1 value in the sense if you have to be closed 1 value and we place left side we have to be look at 0, 0 value and right side we have to be placed 2, 3 value. Okay, exclude 1 value and we place 0, 0 and 2, 3 value. 0, 0, how much the value? 4 plus 3, 2, 3, how much the value? 12. We have to be look at 0, 0, 2, 3. 0, 0, how much we can get? 4. 2, 3, how much we can get? 0, 0, 4 and 2, 3 value is 12. Okay, ma. 4 plus 12. I have to be written from root node 1. We need to exclude 1 value and we place 0, 0 value and 2, 3 value. 0, 0 value is 4 and 2, 3 value is 12. Okay, now from the excluded second value, listen carefully, my exclude second value in the sense if we have to be closed second value, we need to place 0, 1 value and 3, 3 value. Okay, na? Now we can place 0, 1 value and 3, 3 value. Look at the 0, 1 value. 0, 1 value, how much ma? 8. 3, 3 value, how much? 3. 8 plus 3 amma. Look at this. 8 plus 3. Now we have to be look at 8 plus 3. Yes, exactly correct. 0, 1 value will be placed at 8 and 3, 3 value will be placed at 3. Okay, and coming to the root node. From root node 3, if we exclude 3 value, listen carefully, my exclude 3 value and we need to place 0, 2 value. Okay, and 0, 2 value, how much? 0, 2 value above we have to be look at 0, 2 value 20 amma. Listen carefully. 20. Listen carefully, 20 amma. From root node 3, we place 0, 2 value is B 20. Finally, we place yet initial and final value. Initial value is 0 and yet final value is 3. That's why 0, 3 we can place it as 26 power of 2, not power ma, with subscript from root node 2, the value will be assigned to 26. How the 26 will become? 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 3 15. Now we have to be taken as minimum value 16, 16, and coming to the 12, 20. Which one is minimum? 12 is the minimum. 12 plus say 15. How much we can get? 12 plus 15. Okay, here 16 and 16 are 20, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 value ma. 8 plus 3, 11. 12 plus 4, 16. And 16, 20 is there. Which one is minimum value? 11 is the minimum value. Now we have to be added 15 plus minimum of 11. 11 plus 15, how much? 11 plus 15, how much? 26. From which root node we have to choose there? From root node 2, we place it as the value 26. Okay, finally we can place there at initial and final value 0, 3 yet 26 with the subscript 2. Okay, 0, 3 we have to be look at 0, 3 position. 0, 3 position 26 with the subscript 2. Okay, now we have to be calculated. Okay, now we have to be calculated likewise. L is equal to 1, taking 1 node at a time. L is equal to 2, taking 2 nodes at a time. L is equal to 3, taking 3 nodes at a time. And finally L is equal to 4, taking 4 nodes together at a time. We have to be calculated likewise. Okay, it is nothing but it is weight of optimal binary search tree. What the question is? It is the weight of optimal binary search tree. Okay, the root node will be decided from the subscript. From the subscript itself, the root node will be decided. Listen carefully. From the root node will be decided from the subscript. Listen carefully. How we can draw this diagram? 16, left side 10, and coming to the right side 21, and 10 right side 12. How we can draw this diagram? It is weight of optimal binary search tree. Root node will be decided from the subscript. Root node, what is the root node? Root node will be decided from the subscript. Look at the diagram here. Listen carefully. Look at the diagram. Here we have to be taken the root node here. A root node will be decided from the subscript. From the subscript 2 will be there. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Here 16, if we have to be taken a 16, and the right side the value will be here. Look at this, all of you once. Here look at this value. Look at this here. 16 is the root node, and the higher element here 16 21. First of all, if you take some 16 10 21 12, how we can take? In the sense from depend, it is weight of optimal binary search tree. Root node will be decided from the subscript itself. Here look at this, frequency of 16 will be 6. Frequency of 16 will be 6. 6 will be multiplied with level into 1 plus, and coming to the frequency is 4. Now frequency 10 is the node which have frequency 4, and multiplied with level 2 plus, and coming to the 3 in the sense frequency 21 is the node have with frequency 3 and multiplied with level 2 plus, and finally 12th node frequency is 2 multiplied with level in the sense 3. Okay, 3. 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6, how much we can get it as? 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 8 26. This is the this tree is optimal binary search tree. 26 is the optimal binary search tree. Okay, how we can draw this diagram? 16 frequency, it's a root node. Decided the root node will be decided from the subscript. Okay, root node. Here look at this. Here root node we have to be taken here 0th position, second position, second from root node 2. Which values is come very root node 2 is from root node 2. 16 from root node to 16, and from if we have to be see here root node, node number 16, if we have to be taken 16 and right side 21 is there, and left side 10 is there, and 10 right side 12 is there. How we can wrote it as? Later class we will discuss, Amma. Up to now, thank you. If you have any doubts, can you please contact me?